Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got you quick and super effective guide to help you fix lag in Blox Fruit on mobile. Yes, this method works in 2025 too. If you have been dealing with slutters, frame drops or general lag in Blox Fruit, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's get into it step by step. First, we'll start with your Android device settings. Go to your Samsung account settings, then scroll down to apps. In search bar, type Roblox, then tap on it. Scroll down to battery and you'll see options like unrestricted, optimized, or restricted. Choose unrestricted. This allows Roblox to use background battery freely, which helps reduce lag a lot. Yes, it might drain a bit more battery, but the performance boost is worth it. Now go back to settings and tap about tablet. Next, tap software information and then build number multiple times until developer options is enabled. Head into developer options. You'll find it at bottom of your settings. Scroll down to graphics driver preferences. Find Roblox and change it from default to system graphics driver. This lets Roblox access more of your device's graphic power, making the game smoother. Next, still in developer options, scroll until you find the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Set all three to 0.5x. This reduces animation lag throughout your voice or device. Not on tethering hardware acceleration. This also boosts performance and helps reduce shutters in game. Finally, open Roblox, hit escape, go to settings and switch graphics mode to manual. Then slide the graphics bar all the way down for maximum FPS. You can also enable reduced motion for even better performance. And there you have it. If this helped you out, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Peace out and happy winding in Blox Fruit.